You know that American men are in love with the pickup truck. It's a man. You got to have boots, sort of like those. Well, no, boots, and a cowboy hat and a pickup truck, and you're a real man. Okay. Why is that? Is there something uniquely muscular about a pickup truck? No. Here's the reason. In the 1960s, the American car companies suddenly confronted real competition, which they hadn't for quite a while, mostly because of World War II. Ford, General Motors, Chrysler, competition. Where was it coming from? Europe. VW, Peugeot, and Fiat, the producers there. They were coming back from the destruction of World War II, and they all understood they have to beat the United States because we were the hegemon. So they knew they had to produce a car that was better and cheaper. If they could do that, like the VW Bug, then they could break the market, because Americans were producing those boats on wheels, you know, the old Chevy or the old silly car. Anyway, and so they did. And so the American Automobile Company went, bonkers, losing money. A deal was struck. Complicated story, I won't bore you with it. End result of the deal, a tariff. The Europeans accepted a tariff on the truck. 25%, that's a lot in the car business. So any truck coming from Europe, pickup truck, you'd have to pay the price of that truck plus 25 cents to Uncle Sam as a tariff tag in order to bring it in. So they couldn't do it. It meant for the American car companies, which is why they pushed for it, freebie. You could now produce your truck and you could jack up the price by 20%, because that would still be less than they coming in having to pay 25%. But you would keep the profits yourself. So they did. And that's why they advertised trucks as manly symbols to every one of those 19-year-old wannabes who felt much larger and much more attractive to their potential girlfriend by having a truck. It had nothing to do with it. It was a deal. They advertised that because that was where the profit was, in a way that wasn't available on a sedan or a regular truck, et cetera, et cetera.